In this video, we will solve problems of inverse variation using proportions. An inverse variation is one in which the quantities being compared are inversely related. As one decreases, the other increases. For example, as we increase pressure on a gas, the gas compresses and volume decreases. As we decrease pressure on a gas, it expands and its volume increases. The pressure on the gas is said to be inversely proportional to the volume. To set up an inverse proportion, first establish two pairs of Sorry, I have to start that over. I got a phone call. To set up an inverse proportion, first, establish two pairs of related data. Second, arrange one pair as the numerator of one ratio and denominator of the other ratio. Then third, arrange the other pair so that each ratio contains like measures. And fourth, form a proportion using the two ratios. So for example, if 5 machines take 12 days to complete a job, how long will it take for 8 machines to complete the job? We have our pairs, 8 machines and X days, and 5 machines and 12 days. So our proportion will have 5 machines over 8 machines. We want like measures on each side, and X days over 12 days. So 5 over 8 equals X over 12, and we solve for X. We cross multiply to get 5 times 12 equals 8 times X. So that's 60 equals 8X, and we can divide both sides by 8 to get X equals 7.5 days. So it will take 7.5 days for 8 machines to do the job. One more example. A 10-inch diameter gear is in a mesh with a 5-inch diameter gear. For pulleys and gears, speed and size have an inverse relationship. Larger gears move more slowly than small ones. If the larger gear has a speed of 25 rotations per minute, at how many rotations per minute does the smaller gear turn? So here are our pairs, 25 rotations per minute for a 10-inch gear, and X rotations per minute for a 5-inch gear. So 25 rotations per minute over X rotations per minute equals 5 inches over 10 inches. That's 25 over X equals 5 over 10. Cross multiply. 10 times 25 is 250 equals 5X. Divide both sides by 5. X equals 50 rotations per minute, and that's the speed of the smaller gear.